Are you looking for the best dry storage drawer and backpack cooler? In this video we are looking two best dry storage drawer and backpack cooler. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Backpack Cooler Frostvault Coke and Soft Cooler, leak-proof zipper with built-in can opener, 2 ice packs and dry storage drawer for hiking, camping and more. Brand, Ninja. Color, beige. Material, polyester. Package information, bag. Capacity, 36 quarts. Product dimensions, 13.58-inch dx 10.04 wx 20.28h. Item weight, 6.39 pounds. Special feature adjustable strap, insulated, leak-proof. Included components 36 can soft cooler, 2 1.2 pounds ice packs. Recommended uses for product, boating, camping, fishing, hiking, picnic. Frostvault technology, built-in cold dry zone keeps food dry, separate and at fridge temp, under 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 hours. Premium ice retention, holds ice for up to 24 hours, perfect for day trips and adventures. Chill seal lid, keep it cool even with the lid unzipped. Simply open and close to quickly grab your favorite items, or fully zip the lid for leak-proof protection on the go. High capacity, holds up to 36 cans, no ice, or 24 cans plus ice, plenty of room for all your favorite drinks. Built tough, durable, heavy-duty design for lasting performance, backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Comfortable carrying, padded back panel and ergonomic backpack straps are designed for all-day comfort. Smarter packing, keep food and drinks separate and easily grab items without digging through ice. Number 2. Backpack Cooler Insulated Leak-Proof 33/49 cans. 2 insulated compartments thermal bag, portable lightweight beach travel camping lunch backpack for men and women. Brand, Sparter. Color, black. Material, polyester. Package, information bag. Capacity, 21 liters. Product dimensions, 10.5-inch dx 7.5 wx 17h. Item weight, 1.13 pounds. Special feature double-deck, eco-friendly, foldable, insulated, leak-proof. Included components, 1 beer opener. 20 hours retention. Sparter Backpack Cooler is insulated with thick and 8 mm foam, together with advanced silver PVA seal to keep beverages cool up to 20 hours throughout the day for beach picnic, hiking, camping, trip, boating, baseball/golf and work. Leak-proof liner. Our Coolerr backpack liner adopts high-tech seamless hot pressing process for leak-proof. The zipper is not leak-proof. Please be careful not to tip over when using it. Double insulated compartments and multi-pockets, featured 2 insulated compartments for cooling drinks and dry foods, front big pocket and 2 side pockets for your snacks, phone, wallet, and other accessories. A bottle opener included for more convenience. Water resistant and lightweight, our Coolerr bags are made of high-density scratch-resistant nylon with extra waterproof PU coating, lightweight and portable design with padded shoulder straps and back, more comfortable than carrying a heavy big cooler. 33 cans large capacity, measures 17 foot HX 10.5 LX 7.5 inch W and can hold up to 33 cans, 330 milliliters, roomy enough to pack meals, beers, tall beverages, snacks and other necessities. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.